abandon, leave, a place or vehicle, empty or uninhabited, without intending to return. त्यागना, verb, they had to abandon their car by the roadside. उन्हें सड़क किनारे अपनी कार छोड़नी पड़ी. Abate, become less intense or widespread. कम होना, verb, the storm finally began to abate after hours of heavy rain. भारी बारिश के कई घंटों के बाद तूफान अंत में कम होने लगा. Aberration, a departure from what is normal, usual, or expected, typically one that is unwelcome. Vipthan, noun, his rudeness was an aberration from his usual polite behavior. उसकी असभ्यता उसके सामान्य शिष्ट व्यवहार से विपथन थी. Abhor, regard with disgust and hatred. घृणा करना, verb, she abhorred cruelty to animals. उसे जानवरों के प्रति क्रूरता से घृणा थी. Abide, accept or act in accordance with a rule, decision, or recommendation. मानना, verb, he promised to abide by the rules of the game. उसने खेल के नियमों का पालन करने का वायदा किया. Abjure, solemnly renounce, a belief, cause, or claim. त्यागना, verb, he abjured his allegiance to the king. उसने राजा के प्रति अपनी निष्ठा को त्याग दिया. Abject, of something bad, experienced or present to the maximum degree. निकृष्ट, adjective, they lived in abject poverty. उन्होंने निकृष्ट गरीबी में जीवन बिताया. Abnegate, renounce or reject, something desired or valuable. त्यागना, verb, he abnegated all personal pleasures for the sake of his religious beliefs. उसने अपने धार्मिक विश्वासों के लिए सभी व्यक्तिगत आनंदों को त्याग दिया. Abortive, failing to produce the intended result. असफल, adjective, their abortive attempt to climb the mountain was due to bad weather. उनका बर्फबारी करने का असफल प्रयास खराब मौसम के कारण था. Abound, exist in large numbers or amounts. भरपूर, verb, the area abounds in wildlife. इस क्षेत्र में वन्यजीवन भरपूर है.